Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can archive in Notions. So if you first time use this web, Notion built something beautiful here. Notion helps you and your team get more done with peace of mind. So this is a free app or free website that can help you with your works, find the right words, build blogs, color the tool, AI assisted, of course. Here you can create tasks and to-dos, custom views, automations, and so on. This is very useful app that recently I use for my work, for my task. And also if you want to use the mobile version, yes, you can do it. You can try it free, download now. This is the mobile versions. But we talk about the web version of Notion. Please log in, and here we go. I give you an example here. This is the home page, and also there is a new Notion AI get answer powered by knowledge from AI and your workspace. In we go. For example, if you want to delete the folder, here you can move it into the trash. And in order to restore it, maybe accidentally you delete your folder, you can click on this trash and search the file or folder here. And but be careful, paste in trash for over 30 days will be automatically deleted, so you can recover your file that you deleted from here. And also this is getting started on mobile. You can adjust it from here. So this is how you can use Notion to archive your folder and file. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.